Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix download folder is not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your download folder is not responding, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. The first method is you just need to open your task manager. Just right click on this below taskbar line, then click on task manager. Then click on the process tab. Here you need to scroll down. In last you will find Windows Explorer. You can see here Windows Explorer. You just need to right click on that, then click on restart. Then close this window and check whether the problem is solved or not. After this you can try the second method. Just open the file explorer. You can see here downloads folder. You just need to right click on that and click on properties. After that click on customize tab. Here you need to select as general items, then check mark this, also apply this tablet to all subfolders. Click on apply, then click OK. After that again you need to open the file explorer. Click on this three dot, click on option, click on view tab. You have to allow this, you have to check mark this option, always show icon, never thumbnails. After checking this option, then click on apply, then click OK. After that close this window. After doing all this method, still your issue doesn't resolve, then open the CMD, click on start menu, then type here CMD, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. After opening the command prompt window, you just need to type one of the command, DISM space online space cleanup hyphen image space restore health. After typing like this command, you just need to hit and enter. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix download folder is not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.